Hi madam, my name is Pallavi. I'm here to present mini project 2 presentation. Our lecturer name Puan Salma. Meet our group member. The first one Giridharan Gangan. The second one me Pallavi Chandru. The third one Devaraj Balachandru. Introduction. This report showcases the design for the user interface of the distance education management system inspired by the function decomposition diagram from the mini project 1. It further mock-up of the main page to input form and output report interface, all designed to make the system easy to navigate, visually appealing and user-friendly. The design focuses on creating an intuitive experience with helpful feedback, input validation and clear layout, all aimed at enhancing the user experience for both student and administration in a remote learning environment. This is the main page of our distance education management system. We designed it to be a simple, attractive and easy to use. At the top, user can access different key modules like student management, transit management, course management and registration management. The layout provides quick navigation and the interface offer a clean look with a clear button and visual element to guide the user. We also include a login and sign up option for user access control. This is the main page of our distance education management system. We designed it to be a simple, attractive and easy to use. At the top, user can access different key modules like student management, transit management, course management and registration management. The layout provides quick navigation and the interface offer a clean look with a clear button and visual element to guide the user. We also include a login and sign up option for user access control.
Hi madam. So the interfaces include a drag and drop, upload area supports up to 20 files and requires students to enter details such as a metric number, team members, names and comments. Input masks are used to control the format of entire like metric number and validation rules ensures that all required fields and refill in correctly. A detailed report function helps instruction, drag, submission and grading. The system improves the experience with a clean, organized layout, prevents error through validation and keeps students updated on their submission status. Overall, demonstrates key system analysis design principle like structure, input, validation, user feedback and modular design. Hi madam. So this presentation provides to summary registered students for semester 4. So the introduction successfully first present to list of students who have successfully registered along the details such as student ID, full name, email address, semester and registration date madam. So overview of a 6 student semester 4. So first of all it's Devaraj and then Appa Prasham and then Arun, Yuvain, Arish and then Darwin. So the observations, most students is registered between June and September 2024 with one of the late registrations is March 2025. So the conclusion, the data confirms the 6 students have registered for semester 4 with complete and valid information which will support academic and communication efforts. This slide presents to summary reports for student registration for semester 4. To give a clear of the students list without an email and registration date, focusing only on identification and semester status. For the students' records, first of all, the students' name Devaraj, Appa Prasham, Arun, Yuvain, Arinesh, and Darwin. All students are registered or continuously registered under semester 4, showing no discrepancy in enrollment status. For the conclusion, the summary table serves as a quick reference for the administrative or academic verification of semester 4 students' registrations. For this slide, a presents of an experiential report for registered students, madam. So this purpose is to identify any expectation or missing components in the student registration data. So the missing pictures, madam, for the example, for everyone, it's no pictures. So the all registration students in the report are missing their profile pictures, which may ID verification or databases components. For the immediate follow-up, recommended to follow the missing students photo, the complete and registration record.
Hi, my dear lecturer. My name is Devaraj, and now I would like to present about the unit testing table, where it shows the table of showing errors, like for example, errors in key in the email and metric number and any other errors. Like for example, here shows the mockup of unit testing table where the number one, like for example, it shows like a number case name, test procedure, the condition, the expected result, testing, and the result. Like for example, if the student pass the exam and the name is for example Kiridharan, the tester, and it shows like tester is the people who is keeping on eye with the website, who shows who checks the errors and stuffs with the website. And here shows the expected result where the error message is invalid input, where if we just key in our wrong emails or wrong metric cards, it shows invalid email, it just pop out like that. And the same thing goes to invalid metric number and invalid name, invalid password, and many more. And these are the testing tables, and there are more data that been saved in the previous mockup that we showed. If when we just log in, if there's an error or there's any problem with the website or any problem with what we key in our data, it shows in this table given over here. And this is the example of how it shows and how it has been recorded in this unit testing table. So same here with the integration testing table, where this unit testing table is also added on with form unit, where it shows the backend email validation and backup format validation validator. And these are the formats of it shows. This is the for example, if we just key in our Gmail in a proper way, it shows the format of how we should key in the email and our metric card and our name, our numbers, and many more. And these are the records that shows if there's an error or there's a problem with the website we have created over here. So in conclusion, this project helps us to understand to design a simple and effective system for managing distance education. So we created a main page, input form, and a report by following a good design rules. The user interface we had created are easy to use, look nice, and give clear feedback to users. We also added useful features like input mask and validation to make sure the data entered is correct. They tested each part of the system to make sure everything works well on its own and together. This project gives us good practice in using what we learned about the system development process. So that's all for me. Thank you.
For the last, thank you so much, madam, for give us a good opportunity. And then lastly, I hope so, madam, give us good marks, good results for us. So thank you so much, madam, and bye bye, madam.